Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Razer mouse to Mac instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your Razer mouse to a Mac, first, ensure your mouse is powered on. Locate the Bluetooth settings on your Mac by clicking the Apple menu in the top left corner. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, click on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If it isn't, click the button to enable it. Next, take your Razer mouse and press the Connect or Pairing button. The location of this button may vary by model, so refer to your mouse's manual if you're unsure. In a few moments, your Razer mouse should appear in the list of devices on your Mac. When you see it, click on Connect next to the mouse's name. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message. Test your mouse by moving it around to ensure it responds correctly. If it isn't working, try disconnecting and reconnecting the mouse through the Bluetooth settings. For wired connections, simply plug the mouse into a USB port on your Mac. Your Mac should automatically recognize the mouse and install any necessary drivers. Check if the mouse is functioning by moving it or clicking the buttons. If you experience issues with the connection, restarting your Mac can often help. Finally, ensure your Razer mouse has the latest firmware by checking the Razer Synapse app if applicable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.